Welcome to Super Science. Today we will learn the lesson number 9 for class 4. The topic is our universe, the solar system. Do you know our universe is enormously big? It consists of galaxies, stars, planets, moons, and some other objects such as asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. It is impossible to imagine the size of the universe. There are many amazing things that are visible in the sky. In the daytime, we can see the sun in sky. We can also see the moon and many twinkling stars in the night sky. A star is a huge ball of burning gases. It produces its own light. The sun is also a star. The stars are much bigger and brighter than the sun. Yet they appear tiny and faint in comparison to the sun. This is because the sun is much closer to the earth than the other stars. On a clear night sky, we can find many groups of stars forming beautiful pattern in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellations. There are total 88 known constellations such as Scorpius, Orion, Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. A planet is a large heavenly body that revolves around a star. The patch along which a planet moves around the star is called its orbit. There are 8 planets revolving around the sun. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect the light they receive from the stars. They are much smaller in size than the sun. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet. The naturally occurring satellites are called natural satellites. For examples, the moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Humans have also made certain objects that move around a planet to obtain useful information about it. Such objects are called artificial satellites. The satellites do not have light of their own but reflect the light that falls on them. A planet can have more than one natural satellite. Mercury and Venus are the only planets that do not have any natural satellite. The solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets and their satellites and some other heavenly bodies. The sun is present at the center of the solar system and each planet moves around the sun in a fixed orbit. The planets in increases order of distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the planets except the Earth have been named after Roman and Greek gods. You can see here in this figure all the 8 planets are revolving around the sun. So let us study about the 8 planets of the solar system. First planet is Mercury. We can see Buddha Grah in Hindi. It is closest to the sun. It is the smallest planet of the solar system. It is very hot during the day and very cold at night. It has no moon. It takes approximately 88 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Second one is Venus planet. In Hindi we say Shukra Grah. It is second planet from the sun. It is the hottest planet of the solar system. It is also the brightest planet. It can be seen in the sky as a bright object just before the sunrise or just after the sunset. That is why it is called the morning star or the evening star. It is the closest planet to the Earth. It also has no moon. It takes approximately 225 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Earth planet. In Hindi we say Prithvi Grah. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet on which life exists. It is the only known planet that has water in liquid form and oxygen in its atmosphere. Nearly 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. This makes the Earth appear blue from space. So it is known as the blue planet. It has one moon. It takes approximately 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Do you know? Earth spins all the time, but we do not feel its movement. Actually, the Earth is moving with a fixed speed and we are moving along with it. That is why we do not feel Earth's spin. Mars planet, or in Hindi we say Mangal Grah. It is the fourth planet from the sun. It is covered with red dust and so it appears red. That is why it is also called the red planet. It has two moons. It takes approximately 687 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Jupiter, or in Hindi we say Brahaspati Grah. It is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet of the solar system. It spins faster than other planets. It has 79 moons. It takes approximately 12 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Next one is Saturn planet, or we say in Hindi Shani Grah. It is the sixth planet from the sun. It is the second largest planet of the solar system. It has rings around it which are made of pieces of rocks and ice. There are 7 rings around the middle of the planet. It has 62 moons. It takes approximately 30 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Next one, Uranus, or Arun Grah. It is the 7th planet from the sun. It is the third largest planet of the solar system. It was the first planet that was discovered using a telescope. It has 27 moons. It takes approximately 84 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Neptune planet, or in Hindi we say Varun Grah. It is the eighth and farthest planet of the solar system. This planet is known for its fast blowing cold winds. It is the fourth largest planet of the solar system. It has 14 moons. It takes approximately 165 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner planets. They are made up of rocks. These planets are called rocky planets. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the outer planets. They are made up of frozen gases and are much larger in size than the rocky planets. These planets are called gas giants. Remember, Earth's moon is the only artificial satellite that has been visited by human beings. Get it right. Do you know, earlier Pluto was the ninth planet of the solar system. However, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) downgraded the status of Pluto to that of dwarf planet. Why? It is too small in size and therefore cannot be considered to be a planet like Earth or Jupiter. It is called a dwarf planet. However, Pluto is not tiny. It has a diameter of about 2360 kilometer. It has many moons. Now, let's go run through of the chapter. Stars gives out heat and light of their own. Planets do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun which falls on them. Our solar system consists of the sun at the center, 8 planets and their moons. Earth is the only planet that has water and oxygen. So track your progress. This is for you homework. Answer in one word. Read the chapter carefully and give the answer in one words. And after this, we will learn about the earth in the next video. So take care. We will meet you soon. Bye bye.